everyone to another unboxing and short review, and today in this video I am going to unboxing Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation. I am Shadat from Shadat'S Dayout. So guys, let's start the video. So as you can see that in the box you can get some paperwork, then our AirPods Pro 2nd generation, one charging cable. Next you can find some extra ear tips, and the first time you can get XS size. So now talk about the build quality and the design. So design is so good and the build quality is plastic, but it looks so nice and premium. And as you can see that this year the AirPods come with built-in speaker. This year AirPods Pro come with some special feature. At the first time it's come with the touch controlling. You can control your AirPods easily. And the next generation AirPods come with next generation processor is M2. So that's why you can get 2x more active noise cancellator. The AirPods sound quality is just amazing. The sound quality is excellent. I can say that this is the best ever Apple made. So this is all about the AirPods Pro 2nd generation unboxing and short review. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe the channel. See you to another video. I'm Shadat from Shadat'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.